Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's a review of what we did previously. All we're going to do is we have a year, month, and day in separate columns. We want to put that information together. As I said before, you can just use the date function. Remember, it's year, month, day. Don't be confused. If this column section here was day, month, year, and you put in the day, month, and then year, it won't work. It'll give you an answer, but it'll be the wrong answer. Just remember the structure here. As to the appearance, you can change this any way you want. As I've said, you could just go to the custom. You can customize this if you want. If not, you can leave it that way. You can go up here, go short date. You can go long date, and that'll give you the date format. We can just hit long date. You can go back, just go to the date feature and short date, whatever works for you. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.